Hello and welcome class 5 students. Today in this class I am going to solve some of the problem sums from the chapter to express as a part of fraction. So from this chapter we are going to solve the harder problems of the fractions. So please follow today's class carefully. Here in sum number 16 of exercise 23 that we were solving previously, today we will solve sum number 16. In sum number 16 it is given that there is a comparison. All the comparison type of sums will be given to you from this chapter. So do solve all the comparison sums. Sums where you have to compare between the two or between or among three, whatever is given to you. So here in sum number 16 it is given that a fruit seller had mangoes in 3 baskets. In 3 baskets a fruit seller had mangoes. In the first basket it has 20 out of 150 rotten. First basket 20 out of 150 is rotten. In the second basket 25 out of 175 is rotten. So 25 out of 175 is rotten. And again in the third basket 30 out of 200 mangoes are rotten. 30 out of 200 mangoes are rotten. So there are three baskets that you have to compare. But how will you compare? Because the denominators are different. First what you have to do is you have to reduce each of the fraction into lowest term. Reduce to lowest term. So 20 by 150 can be reduced. It can be made 2 by 15. Again 25 by 175 can be 1 by 7. I think it will be 1 by 7. 1 by 7. This will be 2 by 15. And the third one will be 3 by 20. 3 by 20. So you have to do the LCM of 15, 7 and 20. LCM of 15, 7 and 20. If you do the LCM of these three, then what will you get? With 5. So 5 into 3 into 7 into 4. These are the things that you have to multiply. 21 into 20. 21 into 20. 420 is the LCM. 420 is the LCM. Now you have to equalize the denominators. How will you equalize? 15. 2 by 15 it is given. So 2 by 15 you have to multiply with 28. 2 into 28. Again 7 is given. So 15 4s are 60. 7 into 60. 1 into 60. And this will become 20. 5 4s are 20 to 21. So 20 into 21. And in the numerator it will be written 3 into 21. Now we have to multiply these 28 into 2. That is 56 by 420. 60 by 420 and 63 by 420. Now the denominators are equal. 420 is the denominator in the three cases and we can easily see that in the first basket 56 by 420 is rotten. In the second basket 60 by 420 is rotten, and in the third basket 63 by 420 is rotten. Now you are asked that in which basket comparatively less mangoes become rotten. Less mangoes become rotten in the first basket. We can easily see from the comparison that answer will be in the first basket comparatively less mangoes are rotten. Less mangoes are rotten. In this way you will solve the sums given to you. Now very quickly we will do another sum. Here it is given that in a village, sum number 15. Sum number 15, it is given that in a village of Bilashpur, out of 120 illiterate, 90 became literate, and in the village of Panchananpur, out of 150 illiterate, 120 became literate. In which village the literacy rate is better? So sum number 15 now we will solve. I hope you have copied this sum number 15. Now we will solve sum number 16. No, sum number 16 we have solved. Now we will solve sum number 15. Literacy rate is being compared in this sum number 15. In two villages are there. One is Bilashpur, Panchananpur. So Bilashpur, B for Bilashpur, and Panchananpur village P. The two villages are given and the literacy rate is given. In the first village it is given 90 out of 120. 90 out of 120. This is the literacy rate. And in the second village 120 out of 150. 120 out of 150. Now you have to make the comparison. So you have to do the LCM. Before doing the LCM, don't forget to reduce these fractions into lowest term. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. And here also if you deduct, then you will get 3 4s are 3 5s are. So in Bilashpur the literacy rate is 3 by 4, whereas in Panchananpur the literacy rate is 4 by 5. So now you have to compare between these two fractions, and in order to compare between these two fractions, first you need to do the LCM of 3, 4 and 5. 4 and 5 LCM will give you 20. 4 and 5 LCM will give you 20. So 4 into 5. 4 into 5 and 3 into 5. And here in Panchananpur it will be 5 into 4, 5 into 4 and 4 into 4. 5 into 4 and 4 into 4. So ultimately in Bilashpur the literacy rate we are getting 15 by 20, whereas in Panchananpur we are getting the literacy rate 16 by 20. 15 by 20 and 16 by 20. Now easily we can compare between the two villages that which village is having the literacy rate better. Which village is having the literacy rate better. So in answer you will write that the literacy rate of Panchananpur village, Panchananpur village is much better, is much better than Bilashpur village. In this way you will solve the sums of this exercise. I hope whatever I have explained today you have understood well. In this way we will solve the problem sums. Many problem sums we have solved through from these exercises, and more we are going to solve in the online classes. Take a snapshot and practice these sums as homework. For help in the online class we will solve more sums. So keep on following the videos. Till then, goodbye.